The number of times people have researched about how to live a healthy lifestyle has been incredible.
Wow, thank you so much.
तो उसका वेट लॉस हुआ 20 kg.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, this is Arushi here. Context बताती हूँ इस वीडियो का. A few months back I'd gone to a naturopathy center और मैंने 2 videos upload किए थे saying like reaching there and how the quarantine looks like, and the second vlog was how the entire routine, like a day-to-day routine of the naturopathy center looked like. So अगर ये videos आपने नहीं देखे, so this video is like the third part where I'm going to be explaining my entire experience post coming home, what were the things that I did to maintain the weight that I lost, or a few things that they taught me, what things you need to carry, also the cost breakdown, वो सब मैं इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी. Reason why I'm posting this video today, firstly मेरे सारे footages delete हो गए जो मैं recover कर पाई after 2 months, so that's why this video goes now. Second of all, I wanted to again reinforce कि हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है यार. कोविड के पहले हमें टाइम था टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ आवर हेल्थ, बट वी ऑलवेज क्लेम्ड कि टाइम नहीं है. सोशल मीडिया पे या यू जस्ट नॉर्मली इफ़ यू सी, वी कुड सी पीपल टेक केयर ऑफ देयर हेल्थ, एंड दैट समवेयर इंस्पायर्ड मी ऑल्सो, एंड you know, we are kind of in a phase where we are inspiring each other to take care of our health. All those who have not watched those previous videos, please go and watch those videos after this video. Just giving you a quick background of why I went to this place and what is this place about. Naturopathy is a medical science जहाँ पे they treat diseases or illness or anything particular to our body through natural ways, and they do not exactly believe in going for drugs or medicines, but natural बहुत सारे ways है जिससे हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें cure कर सकते हैं. So this is what naturopathy is, and जो naturopathy center that I had gone to is in Urli Kanchan, which is near Pune. Now if you're looking to cleanse your mind and body, and if you're looking to, you know, have a meaningful break but not travel, because अभी भी travel इतना ज़्यादा open नहीं हुआ है, so if you're looking for that kind of a getaway, तो ये naturopathy center is just for you. What do you carry when you go to this place? और अगर कुछ चीज़ भूल भी गए तो there's a shop there जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी buy कर सकते हो. You can buy everything and anything from your clothes to your bed sheets to your towels. यहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलेगा, ठीक है. तुम कुछ भी भूल जाओ तो they have you covered, but just in case खुद से अगर कैरी कर पाओ तो nothing like it. So you can prefer taking your own चादर. वहाँ पे they give चादर, but just in case you're comfortable with one. यहाँ पे they have oil massage वाला system on a daily basis, तो उसके लिए एक अलग से चादर होता है. So do carry like a old चादर for your oil massages. Keep your toiletries, your shampoo, your toothpaste, your toothbrush, hair serum या जो भी you need on a daily basis, carry that. You can find a maid to wash your clothes, but to wash your clothes उसको एक soap डिटर्जेंट देना पड़ेगा. तो जो पाउडर वाला डिटर्जेंट होता है ना, कैरी दैट. कैरी अ टॉवल, देन यू कैरी अ ड्रेस for your oil massage. Don't carry like a pant and a top. Carry like a loose gown or a loose dress, because once your oil massage is done, you directly just put it over. Carry a mug or glass, because you get the kada, then you get the juices, so you have to carry your own glass. Carry a water bottle, because you have to keep yourself hydrated throughout. You'll have yoga sessions there, तो वहाँ पे yoga mat directly office में ही मिलेगा, तो you don't have to carry the yoga mat, but carry super comfortable clothes वहाँ पे, because you're going to be doing meditation, yoga throughout the day, and you're going to be like jogging शाम के time. तो do not keep any fancy clothes in something which you're uncomfortable with. Carry a comfortable chappal that you can walk around in, and shoes in which you can run for the morning walk or morning jog. Carry Odomos or a mosquito repellent. Keep some cash along with you. Before you come to this place, सारे लोगों का testing हो चुका होगा, तो everybody is COVID negative only, so you don't have to worry about that. But just when you meet the doctor, you have to wear a mask. If you ask me my experience was terrific. Like nobody expected I would enjoy itna zyada because of the food. The food here, there is like boiled खाना, नमक hardly मिलेगा. But अगर आप taste और enjoy करने के लिए जा रहे हो, considering food अच्छा मिलेगा, तो you won't enjoy. If you go with the mindset कि you're going to clean your gut, you're going to clean your entire soul, body, give your system a break from all the years of junk eating, then you will definitely enjoy this experience to the core. So if you ask me, you would be surprised to know 50% of the crowd which came there were millennials. बाकी का जो 50% था were like the auntie uncle crowd. Just a number वाले लोग. Super fun लोग थे वहाँ पे. We met a few people. I've actually taken interviews of a lot of people that I met there. ताकि it's not only my perspective but you hear किसी और का perspective also and why you should visit this place in the first place. You develop a routine which is good for you. तो वहाँ पे like you get up early in the morning like 5:36 and then 6:30 7 तक everything shuts down. So it's actually when the sun rises everything begins. When the sun sets everything closes. So it's like a proper routine that these guys have set. The another thing which is amazing about this place is the staff. I won't say friendly, I will say they've actually become your family. They're so supportive और इतने loving. We used to call them Maushi and they were like the best thing. Super sweet people. मतलब इससे down to earth and इससे sweet loving लोग मैं आज तक I've never met in my life. The doctors there are also very supportive, very nice. They sit down with you, they share their own experiences, they listen to your experiences and you know you feel like you feel that you are in a safe place. Basically what we're looking for here. The reason why I went to this place is because first thing I wanted a break after the lockdown thing. I just wanted to go and because travel wasn't open tabhi, I was like let's do a meaningful meaningful unlock for myself. So that's why I went to this place. Also second reason is because I wanted to lose a little bit of weight because घर पे कैसे होता है कुछ ना कुछ there's one person in your life who brings that ice cream का डब्बा, eats in front of you and says you should control, you are on a diet. I can't do that. I'm a person who lives to eat. तो मेरे लिए बहुत difficult होता है to control. Why I wanted to lose a certain amount of weight is not to look pretty. Of course that is a bonus. But because I have PCOD, तो PCOD में the doctor has prescribed कि you lose a little bit of your inches and weight so that your periods regularize and flow regularize हो जाएगा. तो that was one of the reasons why I went there. It's almost 4 months that I'm back and have I gained the weight that I lost? No, I haven't because I've kept up with my workouts as well as my थोड़ा डाइट मेंटेन किया. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट है बट या आई मेक श्योर कि मैं चीट मील वंस अ वीक ही रखूँ एंड थ्रू आउट द डे like I eat early, I sleep early and I get up early. So that's what I do. And if you want to get up early, follow me on Instagram. वहाँ पे there's a community of people getting up early. So you'll be motivated yourself जल्दी उठने के लिए. It's not only located in a very beautiful place, but it's also budget friendly. जो सबसे ज़्यादा important होता है because हम travel भी तो budget में करते हैं. So the reason why I could go is because it was in my budget and I will break down the budget for you as well. तो कॉस्ट आपका वेबसाइट पे चेक कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेक द प्लेस दैट यू वांट टू बुक बिकॉज अलग अलग रूम्स है और उनके अलग अलग रेट्स है. आई टेकन द हाईएस्ट वाला जो 950 है. 950 इज़ द सबसे एक्सपेंसिव वाला रूम दैट यू कैन टेक एंड दैट्स अ कॉटेज रूम. मेरा एग्जैक्ट खर्चा वहाँ पे 13,000 रुपीज़ हुआ विच इंक्लूडेड मसाज एवरी डे, फूड एवरी डे, fruit juices, vegetable juices, kahda every day. Question that may come in your mind is can you work from home यहाँ पे and can you keep your phones यहाँ पे? What if I don't get छुट्टी from office? You can work from home. A lot of people were working from home there. Jio का तो बिल्कुल नेटवर्क नहीं है. If you have Airtel or Vodafone, that will help you because मेरा Airtel था तो Airtel को काफ़ी थोड़ा बहुत रेंज था.
Well, मैंने मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो बता दिया but there are so many people who are out here with me and I'm not sure how many people are going to not to be camera shy but I'm going to try and capture as many candid reviews about this place as I can. मैं वॉक पे निकली हूँ. It's around 5 o'clock and यहाँ पे सब लोग वॉक पे आते हैं around 5 PM, 5 to 6. So let's find out if we can find people who can give us their honest review of how they found this place and probably that will help you. चलो लेट्स गो. नो somehow आज मुझे लोग ही नहीं दिख रहे. नहीं तो हमेशा देर लाइक पीपल क्लैशिंग की है हाय हाय करने के लिए. बट नाउ आई somehow when I want to know and you know like kind of interview and take the छोटा सा feedback from these people, मुझे कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा रास्ते में. देखते हैं बहुत सारे लोग हैं, देयर सो मेनी न्यू पीपल हु हैव कम. यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स गो. मेरे पता नहीं कितने चक्कर होने वाले जस्ट टू फाइंड पीपल.
Okay, so I've been to this place 3 times now. This is my 3rd time. I absolutely love this place. It's open, it's big, you have so much space.
Yeah.
You don't feel claustrophobic over here. And also the services provided to us is, I think, of great quality. People over here make you feel over here, they don't discriminate between anyone, and they're really sweet. Whatever they do to us is with love. It's an experience. It's like, I think, something that you know, it's something that everyone should experience at the end of the day. It's really great.
Best
it's not,
detox.
It's a detox. I mean, if we've been sitting at home for lockdown and coming out here feels great. At the end of the day.
You're from Bangalore?
I'm from Bangalore, yeah.
Nice meeting you. Thank you. One very beautiful and pretty lady in front of me, and I want to find out from her, how did you find this place? आपको कैसे लगा? आप पहली बार आए हो?
मैं 7 साल से आती हूँ, 7 years से आती हूँ, तो मेरे को ये सेकंड होम हो गया है मेरा ये इसके लिए. तो मैं कभी भी ऐसे लगता है मेरे को लोनली फील होता है, मैं सीधी यहाँ चली आती हूँ.
अच्छा, वाह, 7 साल से.
और मैं अपने काम में बहुत बिजी रहती हूँ, तो मेरे को लगता है यहाँ एकदम पीस मिलता है मेरे को, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आ जाती हूँ.
तो मैंने एक नया दोस्त बनाया इधर, सुमित, और वो वहाँ से चल के आ रहा है. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम हिम कि उसको ये जगह कैसी लगी, और ये फर्स्ट टाइम आया है कि आई एम नॉट श्योर. उसी से पूछ लेते हैं, उसको पता है वो नेक्स्ट बक रहा है. हाय सुमित, सो टेल मी, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दिस प्लेस? सब अच्छे हैं.
यहाँ पे मेरी फ्रेंड आई थी 4 साल पहले, तो उसका वेट लॉस हुआ 20 kg.
अरे भाई,
अच्छा, तो इसकी वजह से मुझे इंस्पायर आया कि हाँ ठीक है, मैं भी आ सकता हूँ. बट 4 साल से मुझे को अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल रहा था. यहाँ पे बहुत बिजी रहता है, मतलब आपको 6 महीने पहले आपको बोलना पड़ता है, यहाँ पे बुकिंग करना पड़ता है.
you come here first time?
Huh?
First time?
I have come for the first time, but I enjoyed here. All the things are very good, well disciplined, well managed.
Person who lost 5 kgs in 7 days. मेरा तो 1 kg नहीं कम हो रहा है. Let's find out from her, how did you find this place? कैसे लगा आपको जगह?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी जगह है. ये जगह बहुत अच्छी है. इधर बहुत मन को शांति मिलती है.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस.
We should come here once a year ना,
Yeah.
detox करने.
अभी एक बार हम लोग जरूर अगले साल जनवरी में आएंगे ही आएंगे हम लोग.
मैं भी वापस मिलते हैं.
Okay, bye.
Bye. My favorite auntie duo here, and they're going to tell us how did they find this place. They have been working together since how many years? 30.
32.
Yeah, 32. Yeah.
32 years from State Bank of India.
Yes.
And when I came to know about this Urli Kanchan Nisargopchar ashram, I just called her and said, "Come, let us go." And then she immediately said yes. Everybody must come here. Younger generation, especially.
That's very important. The younger generation, you have to come here to detoxify.
I know.
That's
And
must.
understand the importance of yoga and naturopathy.
Wow, thank you so much.
So this was an entire compilation of my experience along with बाकी लोगों का experience in this naturopathy center. Hope this video helped and cleared all your doubts. If you have any questions, any queries, leave it in the comment section below. I'll directly reply to you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.